Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is November the 8th and I am using my new easy scalper trading system. This system has this scalper, that's this one here, that's blue and red. And of course it has the super signal indicator, that's the one with the arrows. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, suggesting for you to either buy or sell. Keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education, and of course you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education on a regular basis if you want to succeed at trading. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I get up and I'm trading the New York market. I take a look at all the different instruments, and of course I take a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is my daily trade plan, and as you can see, it goes from the monthly all the way down to the 30-minute time frame. Then you have in the comments here, once it analyzes the charts, so you don't have to, it'll either suggest you're either going to buy and or sell. And sometimes you'll even get it where it says preferred. Now, as my mentor told me 16 years ago, the problem with traders is that they do not have any kind of a daily trade plan. And if you don't have some kind of a daily trade plan, well, how do you know whether you should be buying or selling? So that's why it's very important. You don't have to have this one, but you got to have some kind of a plan where you're going to have to drill down the lights, which is what I used to do manually. And I was pretty quick at it. I could do it in 30 minutes. So now all I got to do is load up the charts, and in a couple of seconds I know if I'm buying or selling. So if you're not succeeding with your trading, well, one very good reason is because you don't have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, just Skype me. I do prefer Skype. So now we can get into these trades. Dow Jones, first one I did. I bought most of them except for this gold. So let's see where I got in first of all. So we drag and drop this up. Daily trade plan said to buy. The scalper said to buy. And did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Now the market many times will do a bit of a pullback and then away it goes. So let's see now. So what I did was I took the money and divided it by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 31. So let's see if I can find that 31 and it got out at this cursor, locking into 31 pips as you see, and that paid out $155. Moving right along to the next trade, did a couple of yen pairs, the euro yen and the pound yen. So on this euro yen, I wanted to be buying it. Scalper said to buy, daily trade plan said to buy. A lot of things here telling me, especially down at the bottom, telling me to buy. So trading is easy and a lot of fun, at least it is for me, but you also have to learn to read the charts, and that'll tell you if it's going up or down. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in, let's see now, looks like about 35 pips, and those pips paid out $231. So let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Here we go. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Daily trade plan said to buy, scalper said to buy. So I bought it. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out at this cursor, locking in. This one looks like 36 pips, and those pips paid out $238. Moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 53 ticks. So let's check out gold here. Drag and drop this up. This one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper said to sell. Now the market, that's what it does. I see it every day. Could have just went straight down, or like I've seen many times, does a pullback. So it didn't bother me. So I got in at that cursor, and what did I say, 53, actually 53.8. And that's about as close as I'm going to be able to get. So it's 53, and that ended up paying out $538. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Now on the DAX 30, it pays $3.75 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 3.75. Calculator says should be 550 ticks. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading, a better reading on it. Got in at this cursor. Daily trade plan said to buy. Scalper in real time was still blue. Did a bit of a pullback, not a big deal. So from there to there, and if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have made twice as much if I got out up around that area. It's approximately, of course. So what did I say? 550. And I closed it out right here. Well, 550. Looks like that's as close as I'm going to be able to get to show you. But it is 550, and that paid out $2,062. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200, which is what my goal is every day I'm trading. Grand total came to 705 pips and ticks. Most of those were ticks from the DAX 30. So 705 pips and ticks, and that paid out $3,226. So if you have any questions, or if you want to buy, well, just get in contact with me. Now all you have to do is look right below this video. In the description, click on the button that says more. It'll open up another chart, and it'll show you my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me. You can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype, and right near the top it'll say Skype invite. All you got to do is click on the link, and even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer or a cell phone or a tablet, Skype will automatically load. We'll have a connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions. You'll also notice that there's 3 different packages down there that I do charge $250 for each package. I recommend you getting all 3 of them, as you're going to need a lot of education. And I do have a special limited time offer that if you buy 2 of them, I'll give you the other one for free. And of course, if you want a bigger discount, well, just make sure you're on my email list. And I do have other packages, 2 of them actually, that I do offer a 50% discount. So if you want more education with a bigger discount, well, just get in contact with me, and I'll give you that information. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.